Welcome to our exploration of key software engineering principles. Today, we delve into the concept of separation of concerns. Separation of concerns, or SOC, is a design principle for dividing a computer program into distinct modules, where each module addresses a separate concern. The principle originated in the early days of software engineering and has been a fundamental guideline in system design. SOC simplifies development and maintenance. It's like organizing a messy room into labeled boxes. Each box is a concern, easy to find and manage. Consider a web application. Separation of concerns allows different teams to work on the front end, back end, and database independently. This principle enhances maintainability, scalability, and efficiency in software development. Implementation involves identifying and separating concerns into modules, layers, or components. This approach enhances readability, makes debugging easier, and improves the scalability of your projects. While beneficial, the principle can lead to challenges in coordination and complexity in large projects. Separation of concerns remains a critical concept in software engineering, promoting cleaner, more efficient program structure. Embrace SOC to write cleaner, more efficient code. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into software engineering principles. Subscribe for more tips.